Hello friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Daniel is here from Tips to Fix, and today on this video tutorial I will show you how to update your old MacBook Pro on the latest version that your MacBook Pro support, okay? So if you are on an old one, like 2012 or 2013, and then you see that message that you are not able to update the Mac and this is the latest version that is supporting, in my case, I'm here on this old MacBook Pro 2012 and the version of OS 6 is 10.8.5. And today I will show you step by step what you have to do to update it manually, okay? And in my case, I will update it on High Sierra because I wanted to have on High Sierra. I think that High Sierra is running very well on this old MacBook Pro, okay guys? You can run Big Sur or Mojave or Catalina. I will upgrade this today on High Sierra, okay? So continue watching and let's go directly to the point and let's start upgrading this Mac manually. I have to install Big Sur on this computer and I check the hardware requirement. This MacBook Pro, because let's see here what kind of Mac do I have. And I have here mid 2012 MacBook Pro. And I think the latest version for this MacBook Pro is this one, Catalina here. If you see it here on Catalina, in this computer I will install High Sierra because this is what I want, and High Sierra it's supported very well on this MacBook Pro 2012. So what I gotta do, just go here on App Store, but before you go on App Store, go back here and click here on High Sierra. You will click here and you will see it here on App Store, and you will be able to install it directly from here, or you can download, or you can copy the link and you can download it from your browser. And then you have to log in with your Apple ID, and then now here it is, install macOS High Sierra. Click continue here, and this setup it will start installing. Okay, click agree. And I will click install. Your computer is not connected to power source. Make sure you put the computer on the charger and start installing, okay? So macOS, this macOS High Sierra is starting to download. So it's saying it started to install, but it started to download the macOS High Sierra and installing on this computer. Okay guys, I will wait for this process until the end and let's see. So after you install this update, you have to restart your Mac. So you will see here there are 10 seconds now and it will restart directly. But I will hit this restart button and then you will see that process will start again. Okay, it's preparing and ready to install. And you will see this Apple logo trying to load the update that we did, okay? So this process, it will take maybe 10 minutes or longer, depends on how fast it is. So don't touch anything on your keyboard, leave it as it is, and then you will see that update will be done, okay? So this process, it will take about 45 minutes for me, guys. So I have to wait Okay, after the installation is done, you will see this data and privacy. Click continue. I don't want to share anything with Mac. I just, oh, click continue here. And then I don't need Siri here. Click continue. And setting up your Mac, but my Mac, it's already set up. Your profile cannot be used because it's from your version of Google Chrome. That's good. Okay. To use Java, click OK. Ignore a lot of errors here. Let's see what version do we have right now. And look at this, guys. I am here on High Sierra. Cool. So you see, I'm here on High Sierra and it's 10.13.6. If you want more update, let's see if I connect to the internet. I will go here on updates and see if we have any update. Look at this, guys. App Store is working very well. Okay, I think it's faster. I will paste the link on the description if you want to upgrade your Mac and see that which website do I choose to manually download and install it here. I will paste it on the description and you try to do it yourself like I did. I have here a software update. Let's see. I have here Safari update, support update. I will see it all. And I have here also security update for 2020. It's 10.13.6. I will hit update all. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video tutorial. This is how I upgrade this old Mac version from 10.8.5 on this newer version, I mean macOS High Sierra. I wanted to install High Sierra because this is the version that I like for this Mac because it's working very well and it's smooth, okay? But you can see on the hardware requirement and you can install the version that you like. I mean, if you wanted to install the latest version that this old Mac support, you will do it like I did. Thank you for watching and let me know all your difficulties, problems and things. God bless you. See you on the next video tutorial.